Assessment Builder is an AI tool built into ChatGPT that is custom designed to help educators create effective course assessments. This demo highlights its streamlined process for easier assessment development. Unlike a standard ChatGPT conversation, Assessment Builder is preloaded with specific instructions that focus on the design of authentic assessments. This means that rather than spending time designing prompts for ChatGPT, users can simply tell the AI what they are teaching, and Assessment Builder does the rest. In order to provide relevant and aligned assessments, Assessment Builder gathers whatever details the user provides and uses that information in the content it creates. Assessment Builder is designed to brainstorm multiple assessment strategies, which gives the user a variety of ideas to draw upon. Once an assessment is chosen, Assessment Builder will provide a detailed description of the assessment and how to facilitate it. Assessment Builder's custom design allows instructors to not only brainstorm an endless number of ideas to enhance their course, but also provides step-by-step instructions and criteria for measuring learner success. And with Assessment Builder's export functionality, users can request a formatted Word document containing all the information about their chosen assessment.